Hello friends, in this video we will see the operation and setting of Schneider Make UA controller. First we will see a few basic information about this controller. Schneider provides two types of such controllers for ATS operation. One is UA controller and second is BA controller. Only UA controller have engine start feature. Now we'll quickly go through the parts of UA controller based ATS kit. It consists of three parts. Number one is UA controller, which gives the command to ACB according to set time delays. Second is ACB plate. It senses both source supply. Third is IBE. Commands for controller goes through this IBE for particular source ACB. Before directly going to the operation, let's check few important pages of Schneider user manual. First we'll understand controller fascia. It consists of 4 position switch for operation of controller in number 1 auto mode, second is force operation on normal source, third is force operation on the replacement source, and fourth is stop mode where both breakers opens. Means it is a manual operation mode. There are 4 indications for each source: on, off, trip and supply available. These are 4 indications. Here we can also see 5 dials for time delays. First dial T1 represents source 1 absent confirmations. T2 is for source 2 absent confirmation. Source 3 is a load shedding time between opening normal source and closing replacement source. T4 for load shedding time between opening replacement source and closing normal source. T5 is generator cool down time. Now we can calculate total time required for transfer of load from normal to replacement source is simply T1 plus T3. Here we can see controller having 3 deep switches A, B and C. Switch A used to choose type of voltage monitored. Switch B used to select action in event of generator fault. And switch C is a choice of value for T6 for voluntary transfer. Here we can see outputs of controller can be used for generator set control signal, second shading of non-priority circuits, and third is indication of operation in automatic mode. For precisely we can say 23 and 22 can be used for operation in automatic mode. Terminal number 27, 26 and 28 for load shedding, and 30, 29 and 31 for startup order. Kindly ensure wiring of controller, ACB plate and IBE as per Schneider given user manual. Here we can see individual breakers for both source installed below ATS kit will be controlled by UA controller. Now we will have one operating demonstration. Here we will observe operation of UA controller at all four positions. First, at auto position. It operates considering normal source as priority source. When normal fails, it opens normal source breaker and it gives a starting command for generators. Once generator supply gets available, it closes generator breaker. When normal source restores, it gives a opening command for generator breaker and closes normal breaker. The time delays required for this operation, which we have already explained. At R position, only R source will respond irrespective of presence of normal source. At N position, only N source will respond irrespective of presence of replacement. On stop mode, controller gets off and both ACBs of normal and replacement source gets open. Now controller will be in sleep mode. Thanks for watching my video.